Hello, so you want to learn this pen spinning trick from this anime that you just saw. I will leave the name of the anime in the pinned comment below. So I would suggest that you start with the simple pen spinning trick that's continuous, that never ends. And it looks like this. So this is the trick called the double charge. So this is the charge and this is the double charge. This pretty much resembles of what the guy did at the end of this anime. So he was like doing it slowly, you can say. And then near the end of the video, when the girl goes crazy, he would speed it up. You have a full tutorial on my channel if you need it, if you need more explanation on how to do the double charge. Double charge is basically like a Twisted Sonic with just another charge. So if you know how to do Twisted Sonic, and Twisted Sonic is just a charge with a finger pass reversed. Finger pass reverse, charge, combine those two, you get Twisted Sonic. Add another charge at the end, you get the double charge. This pen spinning thing is kinda simple. That was wrong. Thanks for watching, subscribe.